Hi, my name is Kelsey Morris, and I'm a member of the PBIS Applications Training Team. Today I'm going to take you through a brief overview of how to find and work with individual referrals within the SWIS application. Specifically, we're going to talk about the Find Referral Workspace, how to enter specific criteria to further refine your search, how to view a list of found referrals as well as summary snapshots of the referrals you find, how to open and edit individual referrals, print individual referrals, and delete duplicate referrals. Here from the SWIS dashboard, I can easily navigate to the Find Referral Workspace by clicking on Tools and then clicking Find Referral. That opens for me the Find Referral Workspace. You can see in the top portion of this workspace, I have different fields where I can enter criteria and further refine my search. In the bottom portion of the workspace, I will have a list of all the referrals that are found matching my criteria. You see that I'm beginning with a nice notification to please select my search criteria. If I choose not to enter search criteria and simply leave those fields blank and click Search, SWIS will load for me a list of every single referral ever entered in my building as long as I've had the SWIS application. You can see in our example that this comprehensive list spans 851 referrals, and that I am currently on page 1 of 57 pages. In this list, I'm seeing only referrals 1 through 15. I could choose to page back and forth between these 57 pages of referrals to locate the specific referral I need. However, best practice would be to refine my search by entering criteria in the workspaces above. For example, if I know that I'm looking for a specific referral that has happened in the month of September so far, I can pare down this list by modifying my start date to September 1 and my end date to the current day and clicking Search. Now I've pared down this list to only 33 referrals, spanning 3 pages. Here I can again page back and forth between this list of referrals, or if I know that I'm looking for a specific referral that happened in 2nd grade, I can add in the search criteria of grade 2, click Search, and pare this list down further. From the list of found referrals, I can click on an individual referral, and SWIS will load a nice snapshot which summarizes the referral. Here I have information about the referral type, date and time, the student who was involved in the referral, the referring staff member, as well as other identifying information pertinent to the referral. I can click Print Referral and print a copy. Clicking Print Referral opens up a print preview where I can see the referral information that I will be printing. Clicking Print prints that referral. If I notice in the viewing of the snapshot that there is some misaccurate or misrepresented information, I can now open and edit that referral and make changes that are appropriate. Once I've selected the referral that I'm going to open and edit, I click Open Edit. That brings up the Edit Referral workspace. Here I can make changes as needed to more accurately represent the incident that transpired. Once I've made my changes, I click Save, and those changes are instantaneously reflected and documented with the referral. One of the other things that I can do from the Find Referral workspace is locate duplicate referrals. I'm going to clear out our search criteria, and let's take a look at an example of how you might locate a duplicate referral for deletion purposes. So again, SWIS has loaded every single referral in my building. If I know that I'm looking for a referral for a specific student, I can either use the drop-down list and locate the student in question, or I can use my computer keyboard and type in the student's name, and SWIS will match my keystrokes to help me more quickly and efficiently locate the student. For example, I know that there's the potential of a duplicate referral for Katie Bender. Clicking on Katie's name and then clicking Search will bring up all of Katie's referrals. Here in this list, I can see that there was one referral for inappropriate language, as well as another referral for inappropriate language. Clicking on each brings up its own individual snapshot to help me best identify if there truly is a duplicate. For our example today, let's pretend that these are duplicate referrals, that it was misentered as a cafeteria referral and truly was a classroom referral. If I need to delete the duplicate referral, I click on the duplicate referral to highlight it and then simply click Delete. This brings up the confirmation notice asking me if I am sure that I want to delete the referral for Katie Bender at October the 17th, 2012, 12:15 in the afternoon. If I am certain that this is the duplicate referral, which does need to be deleted, I confirm the deletion by clicking Yes. That's a brief overview of how to find and work with referrals in the SWIS application.